Baby cubes are 100% certified organic, made with only fruit and veg, a blend of frozen goodness made into healthy, natural cubes that are nutritious. Check out our baby cubes recipes. Here's our chicken burgers with hidden veggies recipe. Hi guys, I'm Karis from Little X and Baby Cubes. Here's everything you'll need to make our delicious chicken burgers. So start with a big mixing bowl, and most importantly, you've got our baby cubes. We're using our organic carrot, butternut squash and sweet potato cubes. Add in your grated onion, herbs and also some grated carrot and grated parsnip. Now if you don't have these in the fridge or you don't have time to grate more vegetables, then just use extra baby cubes and you're still getting the vegetables into your chicken burgers. My top tip is make sure you get the butchers to mince your chicken breasts. It will save you a lot of time and a lot of cleaning up. Add in your egg and also add in your breadcrumbs or semolina, and you want to keep on going with the breadcrumbs and semolina until it's the right consistency. Not too dry, not too wet. Then start to make your burger patties and coat them in the breadcrumbs, because actually when you cook them it can be quite sticky in the pan, so the flour helps to keep them all together. Now I make quite big patties because Rocco's now 2 and he has a really big appetite, and also these burgers are for the whole family, not just Rocco. But you can make smaller ones if it's just for your little ones and they're, under a year. And if you watch my other videos, you will know I make things in big batches to save time. So make these and then you're going to put them in the freezer and then you defrost them and use them whenever you need. Quick and simple. Alright, start to cook on a low and gentle heat. Get your veggies cooking as well. I've got some green veggies, broccoli and potatoes and green beans. Flip over and then you're going to butterfly the chicken. I do this so it cooks quicker, cooks evenly, and it cools down quicker for Rocco to eat as well. Serve, enjoy, have fun with the recipe. See you later. Guys, did you like this video? Check out our other healthy and delicious recipes made with our organic baby cubes. If you made this recipe at home, please tag us in your photos and follow us on our social media so we can see what you've been up to.